How to change YouTube's language and country settings. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be discussing about a very easy step towards changing the YouTube's language and country settings. So for this, first of all open any of your browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you are signed in into your account. Once that is done, on the left top corner you will see the YouTube logo and just above it is your country code. In order to change it, you just have to click on your profile icon which is on the right side of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will see a list of options. Scroll down a bit and you will see location and your country name. Click on it and you have a list of options to choose from. Select on the country region that you want to select. It will then refresh your YouTube page and you will notice that the logo will be changed and the country code above it is also changed to your preferred country. As easily as this, you can now change the language as well. So for this, let's follow the same step. Click on the profile icon and then this time select on language settings. Currently it is set to British English. Now if you click on the right arrow, you will see a list of languages you can select from. Scroll down to search for the language that you want to set up to. Once you have selected the option, the page will again be refreshed and you will notice that the language that you have selected is also set up. You can easily turn back to English using the Google Translate, or you can change the language settings in the same way. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.